Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Gather 3 wool of the same color and 3 wooden planks. Use shears on sheep or convert string into wool and turn logs into planks because matching color matters for appearance. Once done, open your crafting table and arrange the items. Place the 3 wool in the top row and the 3 planks directly below. This exact layout creates a bed. Make sure you keep the spare wood for sticks or tools. You'll use them next if you need to craft more beds. Now place the bed where you want to respawn. Select the bed in your hotbar and right-click on a flat block face so it faces the direction you prefer. You do this near shelter so mobs won't interrupt you. Place torches or fence the area if needed because safety matters. At night, use the bed to sleep and set your spawn point. Note that beds explode in the nether and the end, so make sure you are in the overworld. If placement fails, adjust the surface or rotation. Finish by confirming your spawn. Sleep during night and watch for the confirmation message because that verifies success. If you can't sleep, check for nearby monsters, fluid flow, or insufficient space around the bed. These commonly block sleeping. If a placed bed vanishes in caves, inspect for block updates, piston movement, or lava exposure. These can break placed blocks. Finally, make backups of important items before testing risky mechanics. That prevents loss and keeps your progress intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.